Maayong adlaw sa inyo tanan. Ako gali si Angeli Christian Joyce J. Blanco, halin sa School of International Relations. Good day! I am Angeli Christian Joyce J. Blanco from the School of International Relations, and today, I will teach you some basic greetings and expressions in Hiligaynon. But let us first know what Hiligaynon is. Hiligaynon is a language used in Western Visayas, also called Region 6 in the Philippines, specifically in Iloilo, Guimaras Island, Capiz, and Negros Occidental. Some Hiligaynon words or terms have a resemblance to Bisaya and Tagalog, which are easy to catch or understand. And some people might be confused with what Ilonggo is. Ilonggo refers to the people and the culture of the province of Iloilo and other provinces. In short, Hiligaynon is the language, while Ilonggo is the person. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the usual greetings or responses. Magandang umaga. Good morning is maayong aga. Magandang araw or good day is maayong adlaw. Magandang tanghali or good noon is maayong udto. Magandang hapon or good afternoon is maayong hapon. Magandang gabi or good evening is maayong gabi. Thank you or salamat is also salamat, or thank you very much or maraming salamat is madamagid nga salamat. How are you or kumusta is the same in Tagalog's kumusta or kamusta. I'm fine or maayos or mabuti naman is maayo man or maayo man ko. Goodbye or hanggang sa muli is hasta sa liwat. Yes or oo is huo or huoa. No or hindi is also hindi or hindi. I don't know or hindi ko alam is waay ko kabalo, or informally, ambot or ambot a. Sorry or pasensya na is pasensya halang ko or pasensya na gid. Please or pakiusap is palihog or palihog lang a. You're welcome or walang anuman is wala sang anuman. Next is when you're going to ask someone a question. What's your name? Or anong pangalan mo is ano imo ngalan? Where are you from? Or taga saan ka is taga diin ka. You can also ask diin ka halin or saan ka galing or diin ka ga-star or saan ka nakatira or diin ang either the place or a thing where. And to answer those questions is taga saan ka? Taga Rizal ko ah. Halin ako sa istansya. Amo lang inaanay subong ah. Te, may nahibal-an na kamo nga Hiligaynon nga madali lang gid matun-an. That's all for today. Ngayon, may idea na kayo kahit papaano ng Hiligaynon terms na madaling maintindihan. Madamo gid nga salamat. Hasta sa liwat. Thank you very much. See you next time!